Hello. Please excuse me. Yes, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Wow.
You look good.
Yeah, thank you. And you too? Well, I'm an international artist.
Oh, really?
So I sell everywhere. As you can see, all my name is everywhere, man.
Oh, Jesus.
So,
I like that.
Man, as you can see, I have money.
Wait. Is this gold?
Yeah. This is not expensive.
You see?
Yes, I just bought it $100. You know?
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
Don't start for this boy. You don't collect person here. I don't start for this guy. Almo. How far now? Why they do like this? I don't understand why this thing.
Wait.
I beg, come on, I beg. I want my beg. I want to go somewhere. I don't understand why this thing.
Wait.
Why you do like this? So they collect person, so she know they tell person. I don't try for you.
Easy and about something. I don't understand. Why is he collecting everything from you?
No, don't mind. It's a towel. So just let it go. Just go.
Edmond.
I can get
Edmond. What is the production now, eh? What is the Tibetan I want this today? They don't talk, I beg. Give me. I want you down, I don't tell you. Give me, I beg, give me. See. Give me all my shoes, give me, I want you to give me, I beg. I want you to see, I'll tell you. See my own.
Jesus!
Give me some.
You're fake! You're fake!
I'm not saying, Julia, I'll tell you something, not the year for us. I don't take this money. I tell you, give me John.
Jesus, this can be happening. I can take it.
No.
What's this? Look at you, you're almost African.
Don't
Don't
worry.
No.
Oh, I don't find you everywhere. I'm not coming with this singlet now. Huh? I am not a beer bed. It's sister. I don't even. Give me this. Give me this.
Is this happening?
Don't push her. Make she no know. Come on. I want you. I know someone go somewhere. My son, I want you. Big day now. I think I want all these things. I don't know what to do.
The US guy or what is? Am I
And
dreaming?
the funniest thing is say, now for rope you collect. I don't know. What kind of nonsense with this? Shh, babe,
Yeah, babe.